Hey, welcome back. Today we found some blister packs of 2020-2021 extended series. Pretty sure these are just these are just blaster packs right here, but they came in these blister packs right here at Indigo. I think it's Grons, or these are the guys, they redistribute them. We're looking for young guns, but these are the odds right here if anybody wanted to look. Young guns, the ones we're looking for is 1 in 4, unless we can stumble across something else by chance. These are just little sticker packs that come with them. I'll pop them open quick, see if we get anything cool. Krejci, Hannafin, got another Ovi. We got the Ovi cracked ice back there. Boston Bruins and Krejci. What's this? Team highlights. Nuge. Got Mitch Marner. Whoop. Backlund, Stastny, Justin Williams, Jordan Stahl, Jakob Silverberg, Nick Leddy, Brent Seabrook, Goligoski. Oh, wait, didn't we pull him in the first pack? Yeah, we got 2 Krejcis now. Domi, Sergachev, Rask, Dadanov. That's it for the stickers. Alright, well, if we get one young gun, we'll be doing good. Oh yeah, these packs are a little sealed up. Oh, what? Look at that. That's a Nathan McKinnon All-Stars card. Have to put that one aside for Maddie. That's a cool one. I'll put her on a stand for now. Got the Sorokin. Oh, we got a young gun right off the bat. I think this is a retro young gun. This is the... Are these the throwback ones to like the 90s or something? Because I think I have a... I think that's like the one that Kevin BX's year. I cannot remember that off the top of my head right now, but Sorokin, that is a nice pull for a young guns. Nice. First pack magic, baby. We got ourselves a All-Star McKinnon and a Sorokin retro young guns. Now let's see if we can beat the odds here. Ooh, come on, focus. What is this? An Arthur Kaliev. That's my whole... Okay, first of all, that's nuts. We just pulled back to back. Yeah, see, this is what the normal young guns look like. I've actually pulled this guy before. We have this young gun, but yeah, this is the retro. Oop, focus here. Yeah, see, this is the retro young guns. You can see it says it, young guns up the side here. And then this is what the young guns look like from this set. Just in case anyone was wondering here. We got Jesper Fast and Jesper Slow. Taylor Hall on the Sabres. Connor Timmins. Here, I'll put that guy aside. For Maddie. Derek Stepan. Johnson. Trevor Van Riemsdyk. Oh, look at this. Leon Draisaitl All-Star card. Whoop. All-Star insert. That is a nice one there. Those are some nice looking inserts, in my opinion. Mitch Marner, Devin Dubnyk, Ryan McDonough. All right, well, we've already hit 2 Young Guns. We got our, oh, come on, focus, baby. TJ Oshie. Oh, it looks like we have another Young Gun coming up. Luke Kunin. No way. This is our 3rd Arthur Kaliev. All right, well, it looks like we're starting to farm Arthur Kaliev cards. Young Guns. We got Tyler Mott, Cal Peterson, Zadorov, and then, oh, look at that. McDavid Draisaitl Extended Series Checklist. Some nice packs. 3 Young Guns in 4 packs is nuts. I mean, that's Sorokin. It's got to be worth something. I'll have to look it up. What's going on over? Oh my God, we got another Young Gun. Is that? Oh my God, is that Derek Stepan? Because I already pulled it. Oh, nice. It's a different Rangers. Patrick Horarenko. I saw that edge of the jersey. I knew it was a Rangers, but... Okay, this is nuts, man. Every single pack except for 1 had a Young Guns in it. We'll put him in front of the checklist. We got Craig Smith, Matthew Binning, Josh Brown, Scott Mayfield. All right, let me know what you guys think. In my opinion, this was a insane rip. We got the retro Young Guns on the Sorokin there. Islanders. Got the Nate Mack All-Star. 2 Arthur Kalievs, which makes it 3 in the collection. Patrick Horarenko. Draisaitl All-Stars. Draisaitl McDavid checklist. All right, let us know what you think in the comments. Take it easy.